Good Monday morning, everyone. Today we are going to take a spelling pretest. The story of the week is called My Brother Martin. And the spelling words, all of these words have a vowel sign that gives no clue to its spelling, and it's called the schwa sound. Okay, so go ahead and get out your writing notebook, or not writing notebook, just get out your writing notebook. Go to the first available page, date it for 5-18-20, title it Spelling Pretest, and again, number 1 to 25. Number 1, stomach. I ate so much my stomach hurts. Number 1 is stomach. 2, memory. Our family reunion is a favorite memory. Number 2 is memory. Number 3 is Canada. Canada is a large country in North America. Number 3 is Canada. Number 4, element. The story had an element of surprise. Number 4 is element. Number 5, mystery. The mystery movie kept me guessing. Number 5 is mystery. Number 6 is science. We'll experiment with plants in science class. Science. Number 7, remember. Please remember to log into Zoom on time. Remember. Number 8, forget. Don't forget to pack a lunch. Forget. Number 9, suppose. I suppose I'll finish my homework before dinner. Number 9 is suppose. Number 10, iron. Dad will iron his white shirt in the morning. Iron. Number 11, gravel. Our house has a gravel driveway. Gravel. Number 12, difficult. The word puzzle was difficult to solve. Difficult. Number 13, fortune. The family made a fortune in the oil business. Fortune. Number 14, giant. The giant sunflower was taller than the shed. Giant. Number 15, architect. A famous architect planned our town library. 15 is architect. Number 16, normal. It is normal to eat 3 meals a day. Normal. Number 17, notify. I will notify you when the package arrives. Notify. Number 18, privilege. Voting is a privilege and a duty. Privilege. Number 19, cement. Don't step in the wet cement. Cement. Number 20, yesterday. Yesterday we spent time with the family. Yesterday. And your challenge words here are ridiculous. It is ridiculous to walk on your hands. Ridiculous. 22 is syllable. The accent is on the first syllable of the word. 22 is syllable. 23, magnificent. The view from the mountaintop was magnificent. Magnificent. 24, asparagus. Asparagus is my favorite green vegetable. Asparagus. And the last one, number 25, is cinnamon. Sprinkle some cinnamon on your toast. 25 is cinnamon. Cinnamon. Go ahead and have those done before we get started at 9:50. That's 9:50. And please make sure you log in beforehand so we can get started right away. I wanted to also see if I could get a couple podcasts in this morning for those of you who would that we need to still present. So, okay, we'll see you at 9:50. Thanks. Have a good day.